like two things that I like. It's something that I really like. So let's get started. Okay. First, it's a thing, and it's a thing to eat. Another one. Both of them are like food themed, but one is you can actually eat. Okay. Should we try the squishy? It's the squishy. It's cute. Let's open it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there's no ribbon. It's just like cream. Okay. Please don't take the pom poms. I take the pom poms. Oh. Oh my god. Wait, it's just like attached by the side. Okay. Okay. I'm putting it right back where it was. Ain't no way someone wants to make this keep thing dirty. And the food thing I'm so excited. I never did this, okay? Like, if anyone knows about it, I never ate it. It doesn't taste that good. It doesn't smell that good. Does not smell that good. I'm gonna take this. God, made my whole couch dirty. Not like my father, know that? Nah. No, nobody's telling my father about that. I love this. It's so hot. Wait, let me just do my thing. Okay, let's try this now. I don't know. I'm gonna try this flavor. Here, there's a whole thing. With some. The green one is different, this one.